Hi all, welcome to our channel. Today we discuss topic about that on-page writing on dynamic pages. That is called dynamic web pages. Suppose you're launching any news websites or any kind of websites, how we can writing a content on this particular website. So why we can launching for news portal website? What is the purpose? Per day, n number of content coming to the market. So people some content will be missing from YouTube, from TV, some other option. That all will be gathered and show onto the particular option will be here. That is called news portal website. In this purpose, they're creating for one kind of categories and post and videos. A number of options are here. For example, any movies releasing for Salman Khan latest movie. So there is a one movie released from the Salman Khan here. So here, this I'm writing for my particular website. How it upload will be here. किसी का बात किसी का भाई किसी की जान. We can select in notepad movie. Upload this ad post. Here it is called category movie news. Here movie title. And team. Same description. Here what we are searching for. Movie updates. Trailers. Teaser. Here, what I'm writing for, any people who are searching for Salman Khan latest movie, updates, trailer, and teaser. So we can writing will be film, teaser, and cinema, trailer. Same as you can give the keywords option. So copy the URL and paste it. Here one question is there. Sir, here I'm writing for about Salman Khan latest movie, trailer, teaser. Only one video visible by customers. Yes, we are encouraged from the latest trailer. They're releasing for here. Suppose there will be only title will announce. Suppose after title will be released. Simple. Change the YouTube URL link and upload the new trailer link and teaser link. Which is possible, we can do it. So same like that. Image you can select. Image purpose, one more option is there. Same video thumbnail you can download from YouTube. Thumbnail download. Get thumbnail. Here. What here we can writing title. Same one. We can upload image time. Same will be used. And click for here. So किसी की किसका भाई किसका जान movie title announced by the Salman Khan and team. So here is the everything will be here and latest Hindi movie trailer. Bollywood cinema trailer. So people searching for Hindi, Bollywood also will be people will searching. So that is called I'm writing for will be here. In this one description, what we are announcing here. See this, how many keywords are there? I explain in this. किसी का भाई किसी का जान मूवी फर्स्ट कीवर्ड सलमान खान लेटेस्ट मूवी ट्रायलर मूवी टीजर फिल्म ट्रायलर film trailer, cinema trailer, Salman Khan latest movie updates, Hindi movie updates, Hindi film updates, Hindi movie trailers, Hindi movie trailers, Bollywood movie updates, Bollywood cinema trailer, Bollywood film trailers. So this many keywords in writing in one description. How people will searching, we don't know anything. So people searching anything, what is the consideration will be here. And same like that, latest I'm using for latest Hindi movie, latest Bollywood movie trailer, latest Bollywood movie teaser, Hindi movie trailer, movie updates, anything. This will be latest update launched by only for 1 day back. In the same title, you can change a video also. But only thing we can upload by the only this movie related news will be. Suppose you can universal purpose, latest movie updates, Hindi movie updates. You can writing for this matter. You can add by the SEO description keyword. Finally, update your content. What will happen? Any content will be published here. Click this option. Control U. What we are writing here, this is the first of all title option. Next will be using the description and keyword. This is the mainly focus about that. Anybody click this title and paste here in the search engine, our website will be show the top position purpose. So that is the main. So I'm writing for movie. So here is the anything will be. Salman Khan reveals movie name. Easily we can follow the here. Salman Khan will be already adding for the description matter. So what are the title you mentioned? What is the description you mentioned? That is the understanding for search engine purpose. So that is the call. What are the content you uploading? That will be control you check from the admin option. So this is the method you will writing for dynamic web page. Each page, this will be title will be your structure, language selection, category wise. Any new category required, you can create the new category will be here and post will be in this. After that, movie information, movie regarding any kind of content, video URL, if it is optional, image compulsory, image name and title name both are same. That is called image appear on the Google search image purpose. So that is called what are the mention your title and image name both are same. SEO title description keyword search engine can understanding purpose. One more thing is called any content will be uploading from YouTube and your website. Don't be both are same title. So here is the not coming to the movie. So here is the just I'm writing for Kiski Boy, Kiski John. Movie is I'm give the title option. Once upload the content, you can refresh your particular page for 3 to 5 times. There will be refresh on your page compulsory. After this content will updated, first you can share by the social networks. After that, you can do this SEO off page. But first the writing will be SEO, title, description, keyword, image name, and URL structure properly create. So here is the URL structure. ToiletCnews.com post information article number 838, Kiski Boy, Kiski Ka Jaan movie regarding this article. So this is the way upload the content on your particular dynamic web pages. No required cPanel, not required any option. Everything will be admin panel will be created. Post the content into the backend option. Follow this option. Any question about the dynamic pages, any website will be create dynamic websites. Contact my channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.